How to negotiate effectively in today's market. In Phoenix, winning negotiations isn't about being the loudest, it's about being the smartest. First off, you gotta know when you have leverage. If the home's been sitting, you've got room to negotiate. If it's brand new on the market and it has multiple offers on it, you probably don't. You just need to make a decision whether you want that property or move on. Number 2, understand the seller's situation. This is so underrated. As a buyer, you want to go in and you want your agent to find out everything they possibly can about the seller's situation and what's important to them. It usually isn't just price. It's usually a number of other things, and if you can accommodate them as much as possible in your offer and make their life easy, then you probably will get your price and your terms. Finally, our third point, expand the conversation. Negotiating isn't just about price. There's other things that can benefit you financially as the buyer. Concessions, them paying for repairs, closing costs, rate buy downs. Those are the obvious ones, right? But also you can have the seller pay to your contractor directly through escrow for a full remodel that you need to do after you close on the property. This is thinking a little bit outside of the box. Also, a lot of sellers these days have a lot of equity and they're willing to do seller financing to a point. This may help you with getting a more advantageous rate on your purchase. So in this market, it's all about smart negotiations. That's what'll get you the win. Here at Good Company Real Estate, we know how to structure offers, understand leverage, and will create a win-win deal that get you and your family into the home that you want. Reach out today and let's put the right strategy to work for you.